I have an iPhone 12 recording the top down. Just gonna check that. What? I've never done that before, I'm just trying it out. What's up, awesome crew? Elly Awesome here, and today I am unboxing AirTag. I don't think you're meant to put an S on the end, AirTags. It's their AirTag. I'm gonna unbox the AirTag. I'm gonna unbox AirTag. And I also have a bunch of the official Apple AirTag accessories. So Apple AirTag is a way to find your stuff using Apple's FindMy system or network. This is the presentation of the 4-pack. That's fancy. And the AirTag itself, it's really small. Peel that off. I see, once I pull this out, it'll be activated. Ooh, shiny, I can see myself. Can you guys see you? So that's an easy unboxing. Let's see how easy it is to connect it with my iPhone. Does it not work with, oh wait, I haven't updated my phone. You need to be on the latest iOS. So iOS 14.5 adds support for AirTag. I'm gonna go chuck this on a charger real quick, let it do its thing. Okay, while that's updating, we'll check out the accessories. Also, it's important to note these are available from the 30th of April, and if you want any engraving, you need to head to Apple's website. You can actually customize your AirTag with your initials or even an emoji. Super cool. So let's start with the AirTag Loop. The yellow one. Ooh, that's zesty. Look at how vibrant that is. So I think you just sort of, is there any like method to the madness here with how you pop it in? I should have paid more attention to the Apple keynote thing. No. Oh, that's right. Stop. I swear I was paying attention. Open it up. Slip it in. Oh, well, that's easy. That should be intuitive though. All right, this bit I remember clearly. Then you slot it through like so. And then it evens out, and there you have it. Your bag tag, or pretty much you can slot this onto whatever you want, whatever it'll fit around, whatever this loop can consume. What do I have to put this on? Okay, this is kind of funny. This is my backpack. And this ribbon is so I can identify it at a glance. This obviously will be similar to other people, but this will mean I can actually identify it as my own bag with my AirTag. Wow, we're really taking it from old school to new school right here. So there's my AirTag attached like so. Kind of wish I customized it. I wish I put awesome on here, like AWSM. That would have been sick. I need my AirTag back. Yeah, I'm saving these. I'm gonna activate them all. It's gonna be a whole therapeutic session of tagging everything, figuring out exactly what I want to tag. So I'm going to open up the leather keyring in product red. Wow, colors are back, baby. Look how bright that is. Oh, that's nice. Now I know what to do at this stage. You open her up. One of these actions. Slip the AirTag in. Satisfying click. Take a thumbnail pic. That's pretty lit. This one. Oh yeah, look at the orange next to that red. This is another AirTag Loop in electric orange. Dang, that is so fresh. I'm weirdly getting into orange. I've always been a cool toned person. Like I like these colors, like greeny blue. I'm changing, dude. We got the AirTag leather loop now. Oh, that's nice. There you have it. It's time to check on the device. Oh, okay, there we go. Let's connect this AirTag. I guess I'm gonna say backpack for now. I'm sure I can change it. All right, we're connecting it. So we'll open the FindMy app. So we're connected, but right now there's not much I can show you. I'll be honest, I'm in my parents' house with this setup. We can't give any location details away because they're retirees and they would not appreciate unwanted visitors. But what we can do is go ask my dad if he will hide an AirTag for me. Switching to iPhone cam. Okay, Dad, it's your time to shine.
What?
You need to hide this for me.
How far away?
Oh my God. Literally, maybe anywhere in this lounge room.
Is that all?
Don't take too long. Coming out.
Does it vibrate?
Yeah, so I can make it make a noise, hopefully. See, this is what it says?
Yeah, I was like an arrow.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's really close, apparently. Where are they? No.
It's turned green.
What's green? It says, oh. Is it under here? Also, a nice collection of magazines. I would say that was a resounding success. My iPhone found this easily and it seems really accurate. I definitely want to really put the AirTags through their paces. So if you have any ideas for fun challenges or hide and go seek or just weird places I can put them, let me know in the comments. And otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on the TikTok and Instagram and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.